Hello and welcome back. I hope you are doing well. We are here back in Shipwreck Shore helping Eve out. I feel like we're getting pretty close to the end of helping Eve out. And I'm going to go ahead and talk to her, though, before we begin, just so we can go ahead and try to remember what is happening and what we are doing with these missions. I also have two emails that I'm going to go ahead and check. So my first mail is the main member box. So I'm going to open up the box to see what we get.
You just got some really cool stuff.
Very cool. So got some stuff here. And Lumiat Morph Marble. That'll be fun to play around with, and 100 floor ends. So fantastic. And also a little froggy to hop around after us. And then this is the preview of next month's member box, which a cool wand, Morph Marble, looks like it's going to be the Electric Currency chicken, and we also have a Storm Cloud pet to follow us around. So very cool. Okay, let's go ahead now and switch to our mission. And let's go ahead and talk with Eve right now.
Wow-wee! According to the tunnel, this monster is huge. Just to make sure we know as much about this beast as possible before taking it on, see if you can find anything else it may have left behind.
Okay.
The more we know about it, the better.
I agree. So we're going to try to find a little more information about this beast and see if we can get any more clues in order to help us make sure we approach it in the correct way. So, because it looks like it's going to be quite gigantic. All right, so Falling Star Smash for our truckle here. What place value does the 8 in 298 represent? So, just a little review from our first grade videos. We have 3 place values for this number, and this is going to be our ones place. This will be the tens in the middle. And then over on the left, it's going to be the hundreds. And so what we're trying to find out is what place the 8 is in as we look at this. And so the 8 is in the ones place. So the place value 8 represents the ones place in this. Let's cast our spell. Woo! All right. So that's what we're looking at as we look at these. Let's see if you can help me with this next one. Truckles, Forest Hurricane, 1114 points of damage. We don't need to use our supernovas. We can build up our mana because we only have one creature that we're battling. So the place value, what place value does the 8 in 842 represent? Well, remember, this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds. So we read this 842. So the 8 is in the hundreds place. All right, let's cast our spell. Woohoo! And there we go. Not quite enough, not quite enough. That's okay though. Truckle's gonna come, and let's see, Forest Hurricane with 1115 points of damage. I don't think we're gonna rescue the Truckle. Now we're looking at a 2 for the value, and the number is 215. Remember, ones, tens, hundreds. So the 2 is in our hundreds place. The 2 represents 200. It doesn't represent 2. It would be here if it did that. 20 would be right here. So 200 is the value of the 2. Woo! Awesome. Great, great, great. And goodbye, Truckle. We won that battle. Let's see what we get, and then we will be moving on. I think that is 52, level 52. Wow. All right, we gained 110 hearts. And let's see, 5 member stars to each of us. Let's open up our chest. All right, 100 gold coins, 1 copper coin, and 20 yars. That is awesome. Okay, let's make our way up here. And then we're going to come over to this side, head on up. The second plank gets us through. Let's open up this. Oh, we got a dizzy fish. I think this is our last dizzy fish. Looks like you completed a task. Come find me. Oh man, I think we are going to track down Ola, and I have to share that. Come find me, young wizard. Let's go. Let's go check out Ola. All right, so we completed the dizzy fish. We have to collect the 5 necklace pearls, and it looks like these are inside the dandelions and the traps. So we'll have to go over to get that, and then also shiny things we need as well. That is going to be, looks like, in the sky world. So I believe we trade these in. So let's go ahead and see where we go for this. Let's go trade. Follow the music notes. All right. So let's come on over here. How exciting. Copper coins, 2 copper coins, and 50 gold coins. So it has been quite tough, quite challenging playing with end of the school year and everything like that. So I am super excited that we found the last dizzy fish. 2 copper coins and 15 yars. All right.
Hello again. Would you care for a treat? They're my favorite snack. So soft and so sweet.
Looks like a delicious marshmallow.
It looks like you've collected some curious things. Excellent work. Now, what did you bring?
Okay, let's choose this, and dizzy fish. This poor fish looks like it got caught in a whirlpool. So let's go ahead and
Goodbye,
track
young
this.
wizard. If you find some more clues, the next time we meet, I'll use them to locate the epic you seek.
All right. So we've completed this. We're going to have to focus on these 2. I have 7 days to finish Aquadile. And so we're going to be working on this. And I'll have to move over to the 5 necklace pearls. So I'll be recording quite a few videos this week in order to try to get Aquadile. And then we'll move on to, hopefully, another one. So let's see, are we able to squeak through? I think we can get through before. Yay, awesome. So with the epic pets, the mythical epic pets, they are pretty great for end of game players. If you're a newer player and you're not really through all the areas, kind of how I am, then it'll be a little bit more difficult because you'll have to complete the various tasks in order to open up new areas. And so that's sort of where I am right now with this quest. So the more areas you've already helped, we're going to go with Supernova because we have 2. So 6, that's the ones place. So we would read this 906. And so the 6 would have a value of 6. It would be in the ones place. All right, let's cast our spell. So excited we got the last dizzy fish. That is awesome, guys. All right, and we will be going to Firefly Forest, I think, after we help Eve. We do have to focus on Eve, though, so we want to make sure that we are helping her to the best of our ability. And then we'll move on over. I think I'm going to do one more Supernova, and after that we should be able to build just a little bit more mana. Right, how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in this number? So there's 100. There are 8s, 10s, so our hundreds are going to be in this place. They're going to go there. Our 10s are in the center of a 3-digit number. It's going to go there. And our ones place is going to go over here. And so 100, 80, 83. 183. All right, let's cast the spell. Woohoo! And up it goes. And down it comes. Okay, so it looks like we'll have 2 more hits, which will help us to build up our mana, so that's a good thing. Squawks is using Ion Cannon here. Boom, 1,211 points. Falling Star Smash, here we come. So this is going to be the same, the 101. So there's a 1 in the hundreds place. There's a 1 in the ones place. Now there's a 0 here, which means there are no tens. So we'll add a 0 here. 101. 1 more than 100. Let's cast our spell. Woohoo! So just taking the time to really look at the place value and see where it goes and how you should move it. That's really the main focus of place value. And as our place value goes up, ooh, that was a nice hit there, Squawks. Way to go. Proud of you. That really helps you to get into the thousands place and feel comfortable, the 10,000s place and feel comfortable, the millions place and feel comfortable. So here we are looking at how many hundreds, tens, and ones blocks there are. And if moving things around is helpful for you, then this is a really good question to help you understand place value a little bit more. So there's 1, 2 hundreds, there's 1 10, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So this I would write 200, and there's 1, and then there's 5. 215. So 215 is going to have 2 in the hundreds place, or a value of 200, 1 in the tens place, or a value of 10, and 5 in the ones place, or a value of 5. So 215 would represent these blocks. Woohoo! Okay. So excited about the Dizzy Fish. Bye-bye, bye-bye. All right, now let's see if we can get to the bottom of this creature, this monster, and figure out what's happening with it. Open up our chest. There we go. Yes, we got a tin can. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Woo woo! Fantastic. Okay, let's see if we can just make our way around. Ooh, don't want to go up. Want to come forward enough. Go down over here. Oh, nope. We did not make it around. Okay, so Funkiel is coming. And it's just one, so we're following Star Smash. So there are a lot more here. But we're just going to count these up. Each one of these are an individual 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. For our tens place, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And if you can skip count as you do this, then that is a really good strategy to go ahead and just be more comfortable with whichever place value you're working on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so the number that we are representing here is 675. So 675. So 7 tens has a value of 70. 600s has a value of 600. 5 ones has a value of 5. So 675 is the number that's being represented. Woohoo! All right, and I'm not sure if we will be able to go ahead and beat this Funkiel. We would have to have a critical hit, I think, in order to get that. So, Falling Star Smash, here we come. The 4-digit is in, complete this statement for the number 143. So 143, the 4-digit. So we're looking at the 4. That's in the tens place. And 4 tens has a value of 40. So the 4-digit is in the tens place, not the ones, not the hundreds, and has a value of 40. 4 tens has a value of 40. This should be a true statement now. All right. And goodbye, Funkiel. Oh, not quite goodbye. Goodbye very soon, Funkiel. All right, 1,258 points of damage. Nice job, Funkiel. You did well there. Okay, so we're looking at the 9-digit, and we're going to create a true statement for this. So this is ones, tens, hundreds. The 9-digit is in the hundreds place and has a value of 900s equals 900. Has a value of 900. So this is a true statement now. Let's go ahead and cast our spell. All right. And here it comes. And now we can say goodbye, Funky Eel. Have a wonderful day. We might see you later. We might not. All right. Woohoo! Looks like Apple Pot and Ice Creator will probably go ahead and hit level 52 along with me. All right. That is great news. And woohoo! Okay. Now let's see. Can we get another tin can? It does not look like we got a tin can. We got some copper coins though, so that's good. That's good. All right. We're not going to stop by Jelly Jim. We're just going to head on up here. And if we walk right over here, let's go ahead and open up the sand, see what we got. Oh, we got an old sock. That's fantastic. That is just great. Cool. Tin cans and old socks. My favorite types of treasure. Okay, let's come on over here. Try to go right straight in the middle, and we do it. Awesome. So let's see if there's any more evidence we can find. We're going to come on down here. Head on over here. Looks like we have the River Neek. Oh, and this is going to be not an all-out attack, but we will do our Supernova. We won't use all of our mana up. Select the correct statement for the number 159. The 9 digit is in the ones place. That is true, and has a value of 9. Okay, so this is the right one. For test taking, though, we do want to look at all of them and find out if it's true or not. So B says the 9 digit is in the hundreds place. There's a 1 in the hundreds place and has a value of 900. That is wrong. The 9 digit is in the tens place. There's a 5 there and has a value of 90. So both of those are wrong. Let's cast our spell. All right. Yeah, we always want to make sure that we check our work, and in questions like this that we're seeing for this one and then also the next one, checking it is just double checking the other answers and figuring out why they are wrong. If you know why something is wrong, then you also know why something is right. So, all right, one more Supernova. Select the correct statement for the number 621. So 2, that's going to be in the tens place and have a value of 20. This says the 2 digit is in the tens place and has a value of 20. Okay, that is correct. The 2 is in the hundreds place. There's a 6 there and has a value of 200. That's wrong. The 2 digit is in the ones place. There's a 1 there, so that's wrong, and has a value of 2. Okay, so we have found the correct answer, and we've double checked to make sure that the other answers are wrong. And so we are ready to cast our spell. Those test-taking skills are really important to showcase all that you have learned. Oh my goodness! Whoa, it looks like Shade, I believe that is, ran away. River Neek is opening up with Torrent. 1,256 points of damage, 1 falling star, smash. So there's a lesson. If you need help with the lessons, make sure you use them. That also brought my attention to the read out loud function as well.
What number comes next? 77, 79, 81.
All right, and then also we have the lightning, the light bulb as well. So this is saying count forward by 2s is the pattern. So this is kind of testing our pattern and our understanding of patterns. So 77 to 79, we're skipping the even. 79 to 81, we're skipping the even. 81, we would skip 82, and we would get to, good job, 83. 83 would be the next one in that pattern. All right. There we go. Use the tools that are there. They are super helpful, and they build that independence. So getting questions wrong if you don't know something helps Prodigy to teach it to you, and it also allows your teacher or your parents to see how they can help you and what they can work with you outside of Prodigy. Okay, let's go ahead and open up our chest. And all right, we got 1 copper coin, 300 gold coins, and 20 yards. Awesome. Let's head on down. Okay, this is all clear. No more ink. A little bit further there. There we go. And then let's open up this pile right here. Another tin can. Woot woot. Awesome. Okay, we're going to come on up over here. We have a treasure chest. 15 yards and 2 copper coins. All right. And then we're going to come on up over here. We got that treasure chest when we visited the Epic Lady. And just want to click around, see if there's anything looks like we can go there. All right, and here we are down into the hole. All right, let's go down and see what is over here. Ooh, looks like there are... Do these look like scales to you? 15 yards and 2 copper coins. These look like scales. All right. There's a little area down here with a little chest, in case you haven't found that. So if you click down right over here, there is the chest right over this way. And so I think that we are going to, you know, I'm really excited to see what's in the chest. So let's go ahead and, I don't think we'll be able to get to the chest without battling both of these guys though. So, yeah, too exciting, too exciting. When there's areas that you don't quite know, it's neat to find those hidden areas. So this is even numbers. This is going up by even numbers. So we are counting on by 2s on even numbers. So 110, 112, 114, 116, which would be the same thing as 2, 4, 6, and then 118 would come after. All right, and we ranked up a skill. Counting, woohoo! It's always great to rank those up. Make sure you celebrate it when you rank those up. And nice damage for the Funkeels. Excited to see what's in that chest. All right, and then one more supernova. Count backwards by 10s from 50. So 50, 40, well 5 10s, 4 10s, 3 10s. If you need to use that strategy, you can use that. Or once you build up your confidence, 50, 40, 30, 20, and then 10. And there's a video to watch if you need this explained to you. Moving forwards and backwards with numbers just builds basic fluency and confidence in changing directions, which helps with solving both addition and subtraction, and then multiplication and division. So it's really nice to have that fluidity where you can just move forward and backwards. So that's why we're practicing that in 2nd grade. And a mist. I think this is our first mist today. Okay, we have enough for a supernova, but I need to build that up. Okay, so we're counting backwards again. 70, 60, 50. After 50, it is 40. And then after 40, we get to 30. All right. Here we go. Let's cast our spell. Woohoo! And boom. All right, so there's one more Funkeel. That'll give us a chance to build up our mana for our next battle, which I always love to do. Here comes Down Portal. Boom. Way to go, Funkeel. Okay, let's go ahead and end this battle with a Falling Star Smash. So 50, 40, still counting backwards, 30, and then 20, and then 10. All right, let's cast our spell. And here we go. 24, 75 points of damage with a critical hit. Goodbye, Funkeel. All right, we won. And 21 battle stars. Okay, let's see what is inside the chest. All right. And 300 gold coins, 1 copper coin, and 20 yards. All right. So I'm going to see if we can sneak by this guy. I really just want to check out and see what is inside this chest, and it looks like we've snuck by. 800 gold coins rare damage bonus, and Montoya's blade. That is crazy. Yeah, let's wear Montoya's blade. That sounds awesome. So let's scoot back here. I definitely need to share that. How cool.
Cool.
Okay, and it looks like we're gonna make it. Looks like we're gonna make it around. Awesome. So yeah, make sure you're clicking everywhere, looking around, so that you get all of the different things. I am gonna save this. Actually, I think we're gonna go back and talk. So let's go ahead and click on here.
It's all finished. Let's head back, okay?
Okay, let's click next. Yeah, let's return to Eve.
You did it! Way to go, kid!
Thank you, Eve.
I think you can handle this now. The Order of Influence better watch out.
They better. We got 200 gold coins and a strong water relic. That is awesome.
Uh-oh. It's not just big, but it's got tough skin to boot. These scales are super sturdy.
Uh-oh.
I had heard stories about the power of the beast my grandpappy battled, but I didn't actually believe it was this strong.
This looks like it's going to be a tough one, doesn't it, guys?
You've got to toughen yourself up if you're going to go toe-to-tentacle with a beast like that. Battle strong monsters to make sure you're ready.
Okay. So we're going to have to battle strong monsters in our next video in order to make sure we are ready to go. This video is ending right here. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe so you can find out if we are able to defeat this monster, and also if I'm able to go ahead and get Aquadile in time. The clock is ticking on both of those. So have a great day. Keep on prodigying on. Take care. Bye-bye.